All right, we're gonna go for a spin here in a affordable little sports car. It's a 1998 Chevrolet Corvette Roadster. Nice little convertible. This has the LS motor, so it's the LS1 5.7 liter, like 345 horsepower. Got a 4L60E overdrive automatic transmission, 4-speed. It's a pretty neat little car. Torch red, black interior. It's only got 42,217 miles on it. And interior's a little tired, you know, it's no rips or tears, but you know, it's a convertible. I think they left the top down. I got it from a lady that had it for 21 years, and it had 29,000 miles on it when they bought it. And they just couldn't use it anymore, couldn't drive it. The negative thing about this car is it's got a rebuilt title, which is a salvage title. When they bought it, somebody sold it to them, didn't tell them. They had 20 years of trouble-free driving with it, so never really made an issue mechanically or anything. But I guess it was hit in the back, and they gave them a receipt showing what happened. I have or not a receipt, but a picture. So I have a picture of the damage. Wasn't that bad, but it's inexpensive because of that. So it's kind of a bargain. We're asking $11,900. Really good shape, drives good. I put 4 new tires on it. It passes emissions with no problem. The top's in great shape, so it's just kind of a car you could just put on a credit card and go cross country in it if you want. But pretty neat car. We'll go up here and take some more pictures and video for you, so you at least get a look at it. All right, we're gonna walk around our bargain priced 1998 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Man, it's a lot of car for the money. Like I said a little earlier, this is priced lower because it has a rebuilt title or salvage title, because it was in an accident a long time ago, over 20 years ago. So anyway, the person that bought it done. You know, they actually had rented it from an exotic rental car place, and they told her that it was going to be up for sale soon, and she bought it and been driving it for 20 years. So mechanically, very good. Cosmetically, yeah, 7.5 out of 10. Couple little paint scratches here and there, you know, a little bit of fitment. Isn't perfect, but it's not 20 grand either. It's 11,900. We put 4 new tires on it. It's only got 42,000 original miles on it, so this engine will last. I've had them with over 200,000 miles. So mechanically very sound, not modified at all. Original stereo, Bose sound system, power windows, power locks, memory seats. It's got an aftermarket alarm on it. Just really clean. The soft top is in great condition. I got some service records on it. They bought it with 29,000 miles. It has 42,000 now, 20 years ago, right here in Simi Valley, California. So just been cared for. Couple in their 70s, can't drive it anymore. Too hard to get in and out for them. But it's got the ride control, tour to sport to performance, tilt wheel, like I said, all the other goodies. It's even got a cassette player. It's got a disc changer, factory disc changer. The air blows cold. It's a pretty neat car. You can modify it if you want, do some stuff to it. You're not gonna hurt the value of it one bit. So in this price range, it's a lot of car for the money. Something easy to drive and have fun with without worrying about it. Here's the power plant in the 1998 Corvette. Like I said earlier, 5.7 liter LS motor, the LS1, 345 horsepower. They're great engines. They're even putting them in hot rods these days. Pretty easy to take care of, reliable. This is completely unmodified. Doesn't even have a cold air intake. Nothing done to this car but regular routine maintenance. I'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Pass smog with ease, no warning lights, no issues. Runs nice and cool. It's quiet. It's got the stock exhaust. It's got the chrome tips out the back. Pretty cool. And then that plate's kind of cool. If you live in California, you can have that. Time to enjoy. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, come on out and check it out. We're in Simi Valley. We're 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818 800-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person, or if you want to buy it, ship it, or whatever you'd like to do. We can help make arrangements for that. And you know, if the salvage title thing doesn't bother you, then it's a bargain. If you can't live with it, buy one for 20. All right, thanks for watching.